Bienvenidos a el Rey Azteca, mi nombre es Gastón Romero. Nosotros tenemos aquí comida auténtica y rica. When we first started, we literally started out with 2 tables and cooking pizza and pasta. Actually, we weren't really doing Mexican, and my wife would cook for me our food that we would be eating. And when people came in and grabbed a slice, they would say, "Oh, can I have a little taste of that?" And we started introducing them. So that's kind of the goal that we started going with, that not enough people around this area happen to know what real Mexican food is. We season it from one day to the next. Is dried chili peppers like guajillo pepper, chile de árbol, chipotle pepper. We rehydrate them, we make the base for our sauces. What we try to do is feed everybody what we grew up eating rather than some commercialized type of food, you know? The number one right now is birria. The story is you gotta dig a hole on the ground and put your meat in there and seal it and cook the meat in there. Unfortunately, we can't do that over here, but we cook it in a regular oven. We give it the same spice, the same flavor. You can make it into tacos, into burritos. People have been more into the tacos, so we put a little cheese, cilantro, onions, the consommé, which is kind of like an au jus or a broth that comes with it. You dip your taco into it, you eat it, and it's pretty amazing. We have a michelada drink. Instead of vodka, we put your choice of beer and a few other little secrets in there, but it's very comparative to the Bloody Mary. We call it the hangover cure. So if you're hungover, that's what's selling on Sunday. Well, I think that the most proud thing is being able to introduce the people to my family, to our specific culture, because the Mexican culture is so vast that I can only show them, you know, what I grew up eating and stuff like that.